In this video, we're gonna talk about 10 best honeymoon destinations in Albuquerque. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The state's capital and largest city, Albuquerque, is located along the Rio Grande. Because of its high desert location and abundance of fun things to do all year long, Albuquerque is a varied and international city. The most historic area of the city, Old Town, is a great site to start any visit because it offers a calm and pleasant atmosphere and access to many other cultural attractions nearby. The Alina Gallegos Open Space and Sandia Peak Tramway are only two of the notable outdoor recreation areas found in the Sandia Mountains, which form Albuquerque's eastern border. Within the ABQ Biopark, a fun family destination in the city, are the Rio Grande Botanical Gardens, the Rio Grande Zoo, and Albuquerque Aquarium. One of the Albuquerque's most well-liked tourist attractions is the 9-day International Balloon Fiesta, which happens in October. In Albuquerque, which was also used as a location for the television series Breaking Bad, tours to the multiple filming locations are very popular. You can discover Albuquerque's top attractions and things to do with the help of our list. Here are the 10 best honeymoon destinations in Albuquerque, so let's start. Number 10. Sandia Peak Tramway. Although not as tall as the Colorado Rockies, the Sandia Mountains, which frame the city's skyline to the east, are no less spectacular. The mountain's range's rugged peak, which is 10,378 feet above the sea level, offers a breathtaking view over the vast city of Albuquerque. The tramway offers a stunning journey along a 2.7-mile hanging cable and, from the summit, offers amazing views of the city. From where you are, you can easily see for hundreds of kilometers in every direction. In order to get some exercise while here, determined and well-prepared hikers can ascend the 7.5-mile La Luz Trail to the summit and then take the tramway back down. The tramway ferries guests to and from the Sandia Park Sky Resort during the winter. Number 9. Albuquerque's Old Town. The cultures of the Spanish and Mexican peoples, as well as the nearby Native Americans, have all had an impact on Old Town, the location of the earliest Spanish settlement over the years. Large ancient cottonwood trees, cobblestone lands, and adobe houses give Albuquerque's ancient town, which is centered on the main plaza, a serene and attractive southwestern feel. Old Town is a fantastic area to spend some time exploring because it's full of art galleries, gift shops, little museums, and restaurants. It's the perfect place for midsummer leisurely supper on a sunny terrace, a stroll in the afternoon, and casual sightseeing. One of the Old Town's most significant buildings is the enormous, centuries-old Catholic church known as San Felipe Dannery, which also houses a rectory, convent, school, museum, and an outstanding collection of ancient religious artifacts. It's without a doubt one of the most exquisite and tranquil buildings in the entire state, not just in the city. Number 8. Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. The high desert surroundings of the Albuquerque make it one of the top locations in the world for hot air ballooning. The International Balloon Fiesta draws tens of thousands of visitors and hundreds of balloons to the city. Hot air balloons from all over the world fill the chilly morning skies for more than a week. After sunset, the balloons are once more inflated for the nightly balloon glows, during which burners are lit inside the stationary balloons to make them light against the nighttime sky. Numerous other activities, including balloon rides, complete the festivities. Nearly every location in the city offers a good view of the balloons. The Anderson Abruzzo International Balloon Museum, which is open all year long and features a fantastic collection of the ballooning history and exhibits, is right next to the Balloon Fiesta Park, where the major event of the fiesta takes place. A 4D immersive theater, a weather lab, and a balloon school are among the museum's permanent displays. A variety of kind-friendly events with a science and creativity focus are available at the museum. Number 7. Albuquerque Museum of Art and History. This magnificent facility gives tourists a thorough glimpse at Albuquerque's past. This museum, which is situated on the outskirts of the Old Town, is home to an amazing collection of artifacts dating back 400 years. It's a location where guests may learn more about not only the history of the Albuquerque, but also the history of the Europe settlements in the wider Southwest. The museum frequently holds temporary and visiting exhibits, which have included Spanish armor, outfits, old wood carvings, and even Georgia O'Keeffe's artwork. Number 6. ABQ Biopark. The Albuquerque Aquarium, the Rio Grande Botanical Gardens, the Rio Grande Zoo, and Tingley Beach are all located in the ABQ Biopark, which is close to the Old Town. The zoo has developed into a prime destination with hundreds of species, many of which are endangered, and one great playground thanks to its growth and upgrades over the past 10 years. The aquarium is ideal for children who are curious about sharks, while the botanical garden offers a lush setting where you may find butterflies and other insects. There are 3 public fishing ponds near Tingley Beach, as well as rental paddle boats. This location is great for a fully day family outing. Number 5. Indian Pablo Cultural Center. For thousands of years, the numerous cultures of the Pablo people call this area, now New Mexico, home. While dozens of Pablo disappeared with the coming of the Spanish, many remain vibrant. The Indian Pablo Culture Center, located 2 miles north of the Old Town, celebrates these living cultures and histories with an outstanding museum, as well as cultural events, lectures, workshops, and tours. Be sure to make time to attend at least one of the traditional dances. Also of interest, the on-site Pablo Harvest Cafe is a restaurant and bakery well known throughout the area for their new Native American cuisine. Number 4. Unser Racing Museum. The Unser Racing Museum, which is the name of a prominent racing family from the Albuquerque region, houses a large collection of automobiles for the past 100 years. Many of the automobiles and motorbikes on show are directly out of the Unser family chronicle and history, despite the fact that they appear beautiful on the museum floor. Anyone who enjoys cars or racing will find this a fun experience, and they will all enjoy learning about the fascinating background of the motor engine racing. Visitors can even get behind the wheel on a racing simulator inside the building. Number 3. Chemo Theater. One of Albuquerque's most recognizable architectural landmarks, the Chemo Theater was first built in 1927. Adobe architectural designs were combined with the linear motifs and recessed spandrels that are more typical of the traditional Art Deco in the lavish Pablo Revival Art Deco style. Native American traditions are shown in the countless paintings and photos. Throughout the 1970s, it deteriorated before being rescued from demolition by a single local vote. The theater has regained its former status as one of the top performance venues in the city, thanks to a major renovation that was finished in 2000. Oh, and it's also supposed to be haunted. Number 2. Paso del Bosque. Albuquerque is more than just a hustling metropolis. The region is also home to one of the most significant environmental corridors in the southwestern United States. The Paso del Rio Grande runs through the heart of the town for 16 miles, following the forested Rio Grande. It's an excellent walking and biking path. The trail provides a welcome respite from the city while also providing excellent opportunities for animal observation. Tingley Beach and Rio Grande Nature Center State Park are two of the detour attractions that may be found along the path. There are several spots along the river where you can access the route. Number 1. Rio Grande Nature Center State Park. On the campus of the University of the Texas at El Paso, the Rio Grande Nature Center State Park is situated on the east bank of the Rio Grande, around north of the city center. At the park's education center, which is inside the park, you may learn more in-depth information on the ecology, geology, and history of the Rio Grande Valley. Outdoor attractions include gardens, ponds, and wetlands. A fantastic bird-watching blind along the Rio Grande Flyway is also a highlight of the park. A moderate hiking path meanders through the neighborhood, while the close-by Rio Grande Valley State Park offers a choice of the circuit walks for those seeking more difficult excursions. This nature center offers visitors a great access point or side trip, starting from the Paso del Bosque. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.